Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to change the fonts of your Shopify store. Here is the admin panel of my Shopify and I have to go to online store, and here we have a theme. You have to click the customize. Here we go. Here you will find three buttons here, and the center button is theme setting. You have to go in setting, and here you will find a typography option. Click this. You can see a font option is here. You can change it from here. Select your desired font and light serif and select the job done. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.